Hi friends, it's Miss Jennifer again. I'm here with another story about colors. I love colors. Do you love colors? Colors are my favorite. This book, we're going to learn about colors in nature. What's nature? Nature is outside, the things that grow outside, the things that we see outside. That's what nature is. So let's read the story and talk about all the colors that we can find in nature. And then after you're done reading this story, you can take a walk and look at all the beautiful colors that are in nature. If it's raining out, just look out your window. See all the beautiful colors that you can see. So let's get started on our story. What color is nature? Color is everywhere in nature. You can see nature's color in many places, such as a baseball fields, at school, in your backyard, and in the woods. Gardens are the very best way to see colors. There's colors on flowers and vegetables. There's colors on moths and turtles. There's colors in the trees. Some things are one color. Some things are two colors. Some things are many colors. When you see something, do you know its color? What color is the grass? Look at the grass. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Very good. Green. What color is this salamander? Look really close at that salamander. Can you see its color? What color is the salamander? Orange. What color is this apple? What color is that apple she's eating? Red. What color are these shells? They're black. Very good. What color is this flower? Purple. What color are these peppers? Green and red. Very good. What color are these seeds? Brown. What two colors are these 5 animals? Let's look at all those animals. That's a snake and a cow, a puppy, a cat, and hamster?
Hamster or rat?
Hamster.
Yes.
What color are all those? They have 2 colors. What colors are those? They're black and white. Aren't you happy that we're surrounded by so much color? I know I am. The end. Very good. I would love for you guys to go outside and look at all the beautiful colors and then let Miss Jennifer know what kind of colors you see. Maybe you could have someone take a picture and then send it to me and tell me what color it is. I would love to see all the colors you see in nature, and I would love to see you again for another story. I will see you soon, my friends. Bye.